Welcome back, guys. Today we're pushing these cars to their limits to see how much wooden weight they can drag through the sand. Let's do this. First up, the big wheel. Look at that massive frame. I tested it on sand first. But turns out size isn't an advantage here. It bogged down instantly. First elimination of the day. Next contender, the little yellow car. Oh no, it barely moved before the sand swallowed it whole. Total wipeout. Now, the tank rolls in for its shot. Slow and steady. And it nails the finish line. Time to crank it up, adding a 71-gram container. Now stacking a 350-gram wooden stick, tank goes first again. It's not budging. Track snapped. Tank's out of the race. Now, the gray car, let's step on up. Breezes through challenge 1 in seconds. Now for the log pull. Nope, stuck right out the gate. Brutal. Next, red car's turn. Glides like a dream. Easy finish. Logs attached. It slows down. But still reach the end. Now loading 400 grams. Dead in its tracks. Game over for red. Enter the white car. Sand? No sweat for this beast. $350 grams. Cleans it up, no problem. Bumping to 400 grams. Still crushing it.
Winner!
450 grams. Bring it on. wheels keep turning like it's nothing.
Winner!
Now for the big leagues. 500 grams. Starting to lag. And finally has to stop the game. It seems that this is its limit. New wild card. Black car hits the sand. Smooth operator. This thing's agile.
Winner!
350-gram stick. Cleared without breaking a sweat.
Winner!
400 grams. No problem.
Winner!
Increased to 450 grams. Oh, it could not continue. Last hope. The bug car. It looked very interesting in design. Sand? Barely an inconvenience.
Winner!
$350 grams of wood. It moves pretty slow. But it still makes it through.
Winner!
What about 400 grams? Gives it everything to push forward. And still comes out on top.
Winner!
Can 450 grams stop it? This heavy load is really giving the bug car a hard time. No way! It's already crossed the finish line. $500 grams. Now we've got a fight. Wheels straining. Pushing with everything. But sand wins this round. Bug car's out.